Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be dropping an ebook very soon. Like I told you guys that I'll be dropping an ebook concerning how you can start up a goat farming on the video training. This is the video training aspect, but that ebook is already. I've done everything about that ebook. So if you want to get on a video course training for your goat, if you want to start up a goat farming and you want to know everything about goat farming, then please reach that ebook. So reach out to me. I'll be dropping my contact list at the end of this video. Just call me and I will send the ebook to you. And the price is 3,000 naira. So inside that book, I wrote everything that you need to know about goat farming, starting from the breed, their housing, their feeding equipment, and the type of breed of goat that you can buy. I even list some their diseases and the symptoms or all the signs that the goat will give before you know that okay, this is a particular sickness that is causing this damage to my goat. So all the sickness, starting from the disease and prevention and everything that you need to know about goat farming has been written in that book. So please call me for that particular ebook. Like I said, is a course, the full training of how you can start with goat farming. So that ebook is ready. So please, if you want that ebook, do well to contact me and I will send it to you. And the price is 3,000 naira. And it's very so for beginners that want to go into goat farming. I will urge you guys to go and read that book first before starting a goat farming in Nigeria. If you read that book, I'm very sure that you're going to understand how you can start with goat farming, starting from the breed of goat that are going to rear their feeding, the name of their feeding, like the grass, some of the grass I can give to them, the energy feed like soya beans, GNC, corn brown, wheat offer, a lot of things. So there are a lot of information in that particular ebook. So I want you guys to go and read that book. So please contact me for that ebook, and that ebook is ready today. So contact me and I'll send it to you. The price is 3,000 naira. So it's very important for us to go into goat farming. Do you know why? Because goat farming is very lucrative. Yes, it's very lucrative. But there are things I need to know about this goat farming because if you start it up and all of a sudden something happens, that it just look discouraging and it's not good. So before you start up this farm, you must know the full details, the nitty-gritty about this tree. About this goat, the full information about goat farming. Yes, you must get it because if you fail all these steps, then that means there's no need or there's no need for you to go into goat farming. So before you start up with goat farming, what are the things that you need to know? You must know the type of breed that you're going to buy, the type of house that you construct for them, and when is their gestation period. So those are things that you need to put into consideration, and their sickness also because we are in the rainy season time, and goat doesn't love rain, and because of that it can cause damage to your goat. And we are even facing these challenges in our own goat farming also. With that also you will know when you can mate your goat. So in that book I even wrote there that during July, August and December, they are not even perfect time for your goat to deliver by that time. So if you want to make them, it must be month interval so that they won't fall within those months that I just mentioned. Do you know why? Because we are in the rainy season time, and due to that reason, your goat can have some diseases and they'll be dying also. So, although please read that book very well. If you read it, you're going to gain a lot of information concerning goat farming in Nigeria. So, please, if you want that book, contact me for it, and I will send you that ebook. So, I decided to share these little videos with you guys that ebook is ready. Like I promised, I'll be dropping it this weekend. The ebook is ready for you guys. It's a full video training, a full video course for you people. You can read it and you can even show it to other people to read it also. So please, if you are new in our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell to be notified when next I drop a new content like this for you. Please like this video and give me a thumbs up. Bye for now.